Brown bear, what do you see? A book by Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? Pew, 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 pew. I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? Quack, quack, quack. I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? Yee! I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? Quack, quack, quack. I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? Meow, meow. I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? Whoa, I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? Bah, bah. I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear. We see a red bird. Pew, pew, pew. We see a yellow duck. Quack, quack, quack. We see a blue horse. Eee. We see a green frog. Quack, quack, quack. We see a purple cat. Meow, meow. We see a white dog. Whoa. We see a black sheep. Bah, bah. We see a goldfish. And a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. And this is the end.